The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system. Come take a test drive today.